just different from the rest. And who can blame them wanting me to find another nest? But different isn't naughty, different isn't bad. So why should being different make me sad? I'm just different. They're like peas from the same pod. No wonder they make fun of me. Life's harder when you're odd. But different isn't scary. Different is no threat. And no one's still their brother. They forget. I didn't choose to look this way. I didn't want to be unique. I don't like my grubby feathers and I hate my stubby beak. There's a rat in every litter, one black sheep in every flock. But when you know it's you somehow, your ego takes a knock. I'm just different, but I have a sense of pride. My looks may well be funny, but I heard the same inside. But different isn't spiteful, different isn't wrong.